Hello everyone, today we are going to understand what is DNS, what DNS stands for, why we need DNS. As we all know, humans know each other through name, computer know each other through the number. We call that IP addresses. In order to bridge the connection between human and computer, we need DNS server. Is DNS stand for? DNS stand for Domain Name System. What DNS do? Assign name to IP addresses. For example, I assign here 4 times 8 to google.com. Instead of writing 4 times 8 IP address of Google, I just write google.com in my computer. I can write also 4 times 8, but I can remember all IP addresses of all the servers. Because of this, we need DNS server. Okay, what DNS server do? DNS server search through the database to find the matching IP address for that domain name. After finding the IP address, both computers connect with each other and can send and receive the request. Okay, in order to illustrate that, we need PC, server, and switch. Okay, I choose here one PC, 2 server, one is web server, one is as a DNS server. Okay, and I need one switch to connect all of this together. Okay, after this, I connect this. Okay, we can have more than one server or one PC. Example, I add one extra PC here. Okay, I am going to assign IP address for each computer. Here, 192.168.168.10.2, and here I assign 192.168.10.1. Okay, again I assign IP address in this PC. Here 192.168.10.3, 192.168.10.1. Remember, DNS servers for all the system is same. Okay, everyone, we're going to assign IP addresses in the server also. The IP addresses in desktop, I am going to assign IP address 9.165.10.4. Okay, DNS server is same for all of this system, 192.168.10.1. Okay, then we go to end services. I am going to end, make sure the HTTP protocol is on. Then I added something in this. Okay, for example, I write here page 1. I give some style in this tag, style, color, blue, and I give example MCA web page.com and close. Then I close the tag, page 1. Okay, then I save. This warning message also okay. Then we go to this. We create this server as a DNS server. I am changing name of the DNS. Okay. Then we go to desktop, IP addresses, and I write here the IP address of DNS 168.10.1, 192.168.10.1. After this, we go into services and then in DNS. We write here, example, you can give any name. I give name as mca.com. Then I write here the IP address of this server. The IP address of the server was 192.168.10.4. I think so. Okay, then we add this. Okay, we access this web page in this HTML from this PC also, from this PC also. Okay, for example, I say from this PC. Okay, I write here mca.com. After this, I enter this. It show mcawebpage.com. Whatever I write here, I was change the color blue. I can also have this data with IP addresses. For example, if I write here, I write something is not show this. Okay, if I write here IP address of that 192 10.168.10.4. It's also what it shows that web page for me, but we can minimize thousands of IP address like this complicated IP address. Okay, thank you everyone.